What's the meaning of Central Standard Time? Central Standard Time. Central Standard Time.
Central Standard Time. Central Standard Time. Central Standard Time, CST, is a time zone that is 6 hours behind Coordinated Universal Time, UTC-6. It is used in North America, particularly in the central region of the United States, including cities such as Chicago, Mexico City, and Winnipeg. During Daylight Saving Time, some areas switch to Central Daylight Time, CDT, which is UTC-5. CST is one of several time zones used in the United States, and it is observed by many businesses, governments, and individuals in the region.